Hey guys, just want to make a quick video on this awesome thing I just found. So this is a website by EOS Nation. This is a project they've been working on in collaboration with Bancor. So if you don't know, Bancor is an instant liquidity provider. I'm sure you guys used it before. Here's their main website. So basically you have two tokens. They might not have pairing, but by depositing two pools of tokens, you can actually create a liquidity bridge between those two tokens. So that's what Bancor is. And one of the things that they've done with EOS Nation is bring that to EOS. So right now you can actually go to the site xnation.io and you click here, the EOS tab, and you can see all the tokens that you could instantly swap between. So right here you can see I have Boy open. You can swap it with BNT, and you can swap it with any other token provided that they do have a liquidity pool between them. And it looks like this one has a bit there. So this is really cool in itself, but what's even cooler is that you can actually join a liquidity pool. So this is actually people putting up liquidity pools for the exchanges between these two tokens. So here you can see I already put in a little bit of the liquidity pool into the liquidity pool just as a test, but I'm gonna do it again. So if I'll have some, I think this is EMT. I don't want to add it to the token pairing between EMT and Bancor. I could do that right away and it'll show up how much I want to put. But today I'm going to do Boy. So here's a good friend, Seth. He set up that liquidity pool, and I'm going to join his liquidity pool. So I'm going to put in, I don't know, let's put in 2,000. That's how much I put in before. So you can see here, this is the equivalent amount. This is the criteria that as Seth have configured. So you can see the fee is 2% here. So every time there's a swap, you actually get, as a liquidity provider, you get a 0.2% fee. So this is really, really cool. So I'm going to add my liquidity. I'm going to just wait until my scatter wallet pops up, which here it is. So you can see here, I'm going to send 1.26 BNT to Bancor, and along with that, a 2,000 Boy worth of Boy. And I'm going to get back 1.73 BNT Boy, which is kind of the swap, the temporary token, I guess. So that's something you get back. And if you want to close that pool, you send that back to it, and then you get all your tokens back, or the ones that haven't been traded in do the pool, the swapping. I'm going to hit allow. And there you go. That's it. You're done. So this is already super cool, but what's even cooler is that you can actually create your own liquidity pools. So you could just set it up on your own. I'm gonna set it up for Atmos because Atmos is the best project there is. And here is where you have to do a little bit tinkering with the math and how you want it to work. So I'm just just for test sake, I'm gonna put in 200 Atmos for one BNT. Probably not the market price. I'm just testing things out. And then you can set your fee here. I'm gonna set it to, I don't know, let's do 1%. Again, there's a completely arbitrary number, and then just hit create pool. Transactions will pop up, and you can see here, same thing as before. A few more transactions, I guess. So yeah, I'm sending in. I'm getting 1,000 swap tokens, and I'm sending in 10 BNT, 3 Atmos. No, this is the 1 BNT, 200 Atmos. Okay, I'm gonna hit allow, and that's it. And you can see here the transaction. And if I go back to the pools and I click BNT, you should see Atmos there, and Atmos was not there before. Oh, sorry. So once I click here and goes for search for Atmos, there it is. So that is the BNT and Atmos pair. So I could just convert it. I want one BNT. Well, I guess that's too much. Maybe I want some BNT, so I could just convert it right away. So I'm trading one Atmos for this much BNT. And waiting for scatter to pop up any second now. And that's it. And you hit allow. And then transaction has been, the swap has been created, and well, I guess me in this case is the liquidity provider, and I'll get that swapping fee. This just went live yesterday, but I thought I'd make a quick video telling you guys about it. So I just want to be the first one to let you know because it is super cool. Go check it out. It's xnation.io. And yeah, join the liquidity pool, explore the different tokens you can swap out. I think it's going to be an invaluable tool for all the token projects out there. So I want to give EOS Nation a big shout out for developing this project in conjunction with Bancor. So go check the site out. Go check out EOS Nation. Yeah, just go check it out. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys next time.